How do you add certifications to your Amazon seller profile, and do you even need to at the end of the day? My name is Noah Wickham. I'm VP of Sales and Marketing here at My Amazon Guy, and we're going to walk directly through how you can get 889 certifications and others on Amazon Seller Central, and it takes less than 10 minutes realistically. So the very first thing is we need to come to the certification section. This is easily found by going down on your menu, going to B2B, and then going to certifications. Once at certifications, you'll be at this introduction section where you can just click on the certification section. Now, the secondary thing here would be to explore certifications and agencies. This is going to be essentially showing us that we can get certified, what type of certifications we can actually have. So once you're actually here, you'll click Get Certified. Now, at the Get Certified section, it's going to give you a couple options. You can do minority owned business, a registered small business, women business enterprise, women owned small business, so on and so forth. But we can also look at this one, which is the most common, which is 889. And if you are somebody who sells any form of B2B product, or you want to be able to sell, for instance, for government contracts, or to any government office facility. We even have some clients who sell coffee, for instance, and they get their 889 certification because it allows for other government offices to actually buy your product on Amazon Business. So this is the most common one that I'm typically going to recommend of people is the 889 because it does open up a new realm of different business purchase that can happen, but any of these are ones that you can do. Now, once you actually do this, all you would have to do is click Get Certified. It will bring you over to this page. You'll click here and you'll say, I agree to come over to this supplier gateway. From here, Amazon is going to ask a bunch of information. You're going to provide your email. And you're going to be working through supplier gateway. Now, the big thing with inside this, however, is that you don't have to actually do this through Amazon. You can if you want to, but you absolutely do not have to. You can go direct to supplier gateway here, where in fact we can see that you can apply directly on their page. And you can go through the 889 for Supplier Gateway as well as any of the other ones. The one for instance, small business, if we go back here again, and we're looking specifically at the small business section here, these register small business is not going to be through Supplier Gateway, but all of the other ones you absolutely can get through there as well. So like I said, as soon as you click this Get Certified and you go through, all you have to do is a quick 10-minute application. You send in your ID and then they review it and they will upload it directly onto your seller profile for you. Takes less than 10 minutes to do and gives you a nice little badge where some people at the end of the day do care about that. Again, Section 889 certification is one of the more important ones because it opens up a wide breadth of different supplier networks within the federal government as well that you can start hitting on.